In the bathroom, new vanity units are available, and I'll show you right away. Go to the bathroom category, and you'll find simply click on the new furniture tab basins and wash basins. Here in the generic category, you will find new single and double vanity units basin, freestanding, suspended. It's up to you to choose the furniture that best suits your needs. More to your project. We'll use this one, a double basin, slightly curved. By clicking on Edit, you will of course be able to change dimensions, width, height, and depth. We'll change the width to 160. Here's something new. You can now change the width of the tank, and you will see that automatically the dimension will be modified. You can also change the offset faucet and activate or deactivate the dimensional overloads. I advise you to leave it activated. For this option here, we'll take care of it. We'll come back to this shortly. And when you look here, you'll be able to change the positioning tabs, and that's just great. You can choose to center it or place it on the right, left, etc. It adds a lot of style to your furniture basin. Then you can change the coating of your wash basin countertop, and the best part is that you have really a wood category. It's up to you to find the wood that best suits your project. We don't have a wash basin here. Why? Because we have on the whole cabinet, but we're going to change the vanity units afterwards. You can then change the fronts, and you have every possible category. You can change too, of course, the texture of the furniture, the color of the basin, the faucet, and the best part is that you can now define the basin. So here you have recessed basins, but you can also have freestanding basins. Rounds, ovals, curves, squares, rectangular. You have everything, the choice is yours. You can also choose the faucet model, whether wall-mounted or on your wash basin countertop. And you saw that automatically the work plan has been properly applied in wood. We'll put it in white. And to come back to this little parameter, it's here. Since these are countertop basins, it's the best option. You'll be able to choose whether you want to install 2 basins. The great thing is that you can really customize everything. The choice is almost infinite, and there are so many things to customize that you can really test a lot of things. It's just great. Now, it's your turn.